Here's a breathing exercise that I do every morning. It's called Kapalbhati, translated to shining skull. It's not for everybody, especially if you have high blood pressure. So check with your physician, but this is something I do, helps with my emotional state, my physical state, and really getting in touch with my breath. So the good news is you just have to push the air out. You don't have to think about the inhale, and you're gonna snap your belly in, really connecting with your diaphragm, right? So the first round looks like this through the nose. The next one we're gonna do is with the wide mouth. Just open your mouth nice and wide. The next one we do is making a shh sound. Shh, 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 shh. So we're gonna do some variations with the arms once we get to the last round. So let's do just a few rounds of 5 for each. I usually do about 25 for my set. Here we go, starting with the nose. And you can see by raising the arms, you really activate the lats and the upper back, really connecting with the body, connecting with the breath and the body. So let me know how you like this one, and I recommend it as a morning practice.